My country people, so these are the two women that are in the life of Maurice. We have Sonia Uche and we have Perwat. No be small thing. So basically, a lot of people are shipping Maurice and Sonia Uche together. Then allegedly, we dey hear say Maurice and Perwat have something to do, like real girlfriend and boyfriend. I've not confirmed yet, but if you left for me, I would say that, see, my shipping will never be in vain. I'm rooting for Maurice and Sonia Uche. I don't know why I like these two relationship. Like their relationship, I love it so very much, and I hope it becomes something else in the future. But if God should not permit them, I don't know. I don't want to talk too much. So guys, who are you rooting for? Are you for Team Maurice and Sonia Uche or Maurice and Perwat? Drop your opinion for comment section. Bye.